Hi, in this video we are going to see the PhD admission notification from one of the top college or university guys. And here the selection is based upon the all over India PhD entrance test is going to conduct by that university. And the candidates who qualified for the UGC NET, JRF or else few national eligibility test qualifications are there. The entrance test is exempted guys, and they can directly go for the interview. And the candidates who are applying here only, the eligibility is only post graduation. So there is no mandatory that only the candidates who are having PG plus UGC NET has to apply here. So whatever the departments I'm going to show you right now in this notification, if you are having only post graduation with enough percentage, then you can apply for this one guys. And huge number of fellowship schemes are there in this university, and for these fellowships there is no caste discrimination. Okay, so the fellowships like DA IACT fellowship, okay, you are going to get 21,000 rupees per month with only post graduation. Next one is TCS research fellowship, you are going to get 45,000 rupees per month for only post graduation. And similarly PMRF as well as the Visvesvaraya and Inspire fellowship. Okay, so a lot of fellowship opportunities are there here. So it will be the wonderful opportunity guys, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of PhD admissions. Okay, with only post graduation they can get the stipend. And please subscribe the channel to get the more notifications like this, and watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this notification. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, the Unacademy is providing the complete course on paper 1, that is the teaching and research aptitude. Okay, so this course started on the 9th June onwards guys. All the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. The link I kept in the description box of this video, and the details I kept at the end of this video. While coming to the present content of the video, so it is the Dhirubhai Ambani Institute of Information and Communication Technology guys. So from this college, here we got the PhD admission notification. Fine. So if you once get a PhD admission in this college, then your research work will be in a most practical way and the realistic way guys, because all of you know how much repeated the college is. And first we will see the important dates. The submission of online application starts from 12th March 2021, and the online application closes on 28th June 2021. And the entrance examinations for candidates not called for direct interview 11th July 2021, and announcement of list of candidates called for interview, date of interview, announcement of result and commencement of classes, all these things are at present no dates are released. Okay, so up to here only dates are there, and the remaining dates will be decided based upon the situation guys. Fine. And coming to the program overview, so it is inviting the applications from bright scholars interested in pursuing research in ICT and other allied domains. The doctoral program at DA IACT is an intense program, okay, geared towards preparing students for careers both in academia as well as the industries. And DA IACT is conducted in IACT and allied disciplines, mathematical and computational sciences, humanities and social sciences, and candidates interested in any one of this discipline or else the interdisciplinary area are encouraged to apply. Fine. And the program structure, first we will see whatever the different subjects are there. So for ICT and allied domains, the educational qualification or the eligibility criteria is MTech or ME or MC or MSc, MPhil or BTech or BE or equivalent degree in ICT, or CS or EC or IT or electrical or IN, mathematics, statistics, physics, bioinformatics, electronics or other appropriate disciplines with 60% marks or else its equivalent in the qualifying degree as per the norm set by the degree awarding institute or the university. Fine. So lot of the specializations of the subjects are covered here under this ICT and allied domains guys. And if you are having JRF or DST, Inspire or PM scholarship or Visvesvaraya PhD scheme at the time of application, then you will be go for the direct interview. Okay. And if you not have all these things, then you have to sit for the entrance test guys. It is a computer based entrance test, and then one personal interview will be there. And the entrance test conducted at the selected centers, and you may check down the centers here. So all over the India the different centers are available, so you may opt any one of this center for the entrance examination at the time of filling up of your online application form. And the interview will happen via video conferencing guys, that means online interview will be there. And the next one is mathematics and natural sciences. So under this one, mathematics, physical sciences, computational science. So Here MSc or MTech or MPhil or BTech or BE or equivalent degree in engineering, physics or computational science or computer science, scientific computing, physics, mathematics, electronics or bioinformatics or other appropriate disciplines with 60% of marks. Okay. So coming to the sponsored candidates, educational qualification A and B above with 3 years of relevant experience must be there, and the interview will be done via online video conferencing, guys. Okay. And while coming to the arts, humanities and social science, these are the subjects: English, history, anthropology, comparative literature, philosophy and design. So the eligibility criteria is MA or MPhil or an equivalent degree in the desired discipline with at least 55% of marks. Okay. And the candidate must furnish a clear academic statement of purpose conveying his or her intellectual background, research interest, achievements and the competence. And the candidates with having the valid JRF or MPhil are directly shortlisted for the interview. Okay, shortlisting if the candidates don't have the JRF, then they have to write the entrance examination. Fine. And while coming to the external part-time, here the qualifications as well as the selection procedure is given here. So you may check down. If you want to get the complete guidelines and syllabus for all these things, then you just click on here. I will provide this PDF, this website link in the description box of this video. So if you are eligible and interested in this one, then click on this one, then you will be directed to the more guidelines and the syllabus of the entrance test. Okay. If you want to get the sample questions in the engineering discipline, you have to click here, and the remaining conditions and the criteria are also given here. So you please check down, guys. And the next, the fee structure you check down, I will just show you the stipend or fellowship at a glance. So check out financial assistance. The following is a summary of financial assistance provided by the institute to the non-sponsored category candidates. So first one, DA-IACT fellowship. So 21,000 rupees per month till the end of the semester, and then 25,000 rupees per month will be available. For the next 2 years, the stipend will be raised by per month 3,000 rupees. Okay. And the candidates with either MPhil, valid net JRF, gate score of 500 or above, then they are going to get 30,000 rupees per month after passing the comprehension examination. So that means the candidates who are having the net JRF means already they will get the stipend from the University Grants Commission. So here this university, that means this college, is also providing 30,000 rupees per month stipend, guys. And TCS research fellowship, as I already kept in the thumbnail. So 41,000 rupees for the first 2 years and 45,000 rupees per month for the next 2 years you will get. And contingency 1 lakh is also available. Okay, and the selection will be based upon the TCS, guys. And other fellowships are also available like DST Inspire, PM fellowship, or also Vishwesvaraya PhD scheme, and other appropriate fellowships are admitted to the program can avail their fellowship. Fine. So here the lot of fellowship schemes are there for the candidates who are having only post graduation. So all PG candidates without having UGC net JRF, they can able to get the huge amount of fellowship schemes are there here. So utilize this opportunity. Okay, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the PhD admission. It will be the wonderful opportunity, guys. Okay, and to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET, means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF.